The QA analysis node is not a part of the live call. It runs after the call ends and evaluates the completed transcript. The enable button controls whether the QA run fires at all. Turn it off and the node is skipped entirely. The system prompt instructs the reviewer LLM what to evaluate. It supports placeholders, node summary, previous conversation summary, full transcript, and call metrics. Write your evaluation criteria in here. Minimum call duration skips calls shorter than the threshold. 15 seconds filters out accidental pickups and voicemails you don't want to waste your QA runs on. Include voicemail calls when off. Calls flagged as voicemails are skipped automatically. The sample rate controls what percentage of eligible calls get run through this node. 100 means every call. Lower it to run QA on a random sample if call volume is high. Use Workflows LLM means the QA pass uses the same model as your agent runs on. Turn it off if you want a separate provider or a stronger model specifically for evaluation. The QA analysis cannot route to anything. It evaluates what happened. It cannot change what happens. In the next video, we are going to build your first agent from scratch. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.